Hey guys, welcome and welcome back. Today I'll be showing you what I've packed for this backpacking trip. As you can see behind me, I have my tent set up and everything laid on the ground. So I'm just going to be taking you through what I've packed on this trip and how much everything weighs. Yeah, let's get straight into it. Okay, first things first, I have these packing cubes that I've used to arrange my clothes. I think I have pants in here. I have about 3 long pants and about 3 running shorts and 2 swim shorts. And then in this cube right here, I have all of my t-shirts, and I also brought this, I don't know what this thing is. It's like a, I don't know, like a windbreaker. I have 2 of these. So I also brought my North Face windbreaker as well, which doubles up as a fanny pack. Yeah, pretty convenient. There you go. So this is where all of my underwear and socks, and in this small pouch I've packed all of my toiletries. So I've actually bought these clear containers to put all of my toiletry, or all of my lotion and shower gel, which is in these smaller containers. Okay. I also brought 1 pair of trail runners. So these are my Nike trail runners. I've actually only brought 3 pairs of shoes on this trip. So these hiking boots, my sandals, and the trail runners. Okay. So this is all of my camera equipment. So I have my DJI Mini 2 right here. This is my GoPro Hero 7, and I'm shooting on my GoPro Hero 11 as well. I have this external drive that I use to store all of my footage. Okay, and this is the remote for the drone. Right here is my laptop and my power bank that I use to charge my phone and my GoPro. I have this bladder, which is about 2.5 liters. I haven't used it yet. Yeah, I'll let you guys know what it's like once I've started using it. So this is my first aid kit. So this is where I keep all my first aid stuff that I could possibly need. Hopefully I won't have to use any of these things here. I've also brought my boxing gloves, which I'm hoping to use when I go back to Thailand, yeah, to do some Muay Thai. So watch out for that. So this is my sleep system right here. So this is my inflatable sleeping pad, and I also have a sleeping bag. So the rating on this one, I think the max temperature is about 8 degrees Celsius. Yeah, it's actually pretty comfortable, but it was actually quite cold last night. So yeah, this weighs 680 grams, and this one right here weighs how much does this thing weigh? Well, it's not showing the weight. Okay, never mind. Okay. And I also have this pouch right here, which I use to store all of my snacks and teas. So I had bought a couple of snacks before leaving South Africa. Got some raisins, these fruit mix, snack mix packs. I had some biltong, but I've actually gone through all my biltong. Some nuts, some oats, instant oats. This is probably the best instant oats I've had ever. It's really good. It's apple and cinnamon, really nice. I actually got it here at Tesco. What else do I have? Oh, I also got some tea, ginger and turmeric with fig, really nice. So yeah, I also got a bunch of these Ziploc packs, yep, for sorting my snacks when I go on hikes and things like that. Okay, I also have some wet towels, just to like freshen up with, because I don't always get to shower. So I'll just wake up in the morning and just wipe my face or wipe my armpits, and I'll be good to go. I also have this right here, which has some miscellaneous stuff. Like I have like a mic, Bluetooth speaker, all of my GoPro accessories, like skipping rope, like a whole bunch of random stuff really. Yeah. Okay, I'm just gonna show you my cooking setup just now. Okay, so this right here, guys, is my kitchen. So I have these two small pans. I have my stove right here. Let me show you. This is a game changer, guys. This is a gas stove that plugs into a gas canister that I'm gonna show you guys just now. This thing is amazing. I started using it back in South Africa, and I just used it last night to make some dinner. I used it this morning to make some oats as well. Really nice. I have like a spoon, fork, and a knife in here. I have these small containers, 3 of them. Yeah, and I have this like wooden spoon. So everything just fits in here nicely, and I can just close it like that. How nice. So I also have this microfiber towel that I use to wipe all of my pots, well, all of my pans, and everything that needs to be dried out. I actually have a bigger one for when I go when I shower. Yeah, these things are a game changer. They dry up really quickly, so yeah, and they weigh close to nothing. So I just pack everything in here, put it in this pouch over here. Oops. There you go. And I can literally just hang this on the side of my backpack, and I'm good to go. So I bought this small gas canister, which was like €6. I've probably used about half hopefully I'll get to use a bit more before I leave this country. So yeah, so this is my kitchen and it does wonders. Okay guys, you guys might have seen my tent. It's a 2-person sleeper. It's actually quite small. I think the whole the whole tent, including the poles and stakes, it all weighs about 1.5 kilograms, so it's pretty light compared to other tents that I've used in the past. Yeah, it's quite cozy. It fits a 2-sleeper mattress, and the one that I have is a 1-sleeper. It fits nicely and I have enough space to keep my backpack and other things that I need to keep. So yeah, that's my lovely tent right there, and it fits in my bag nicely without any issues. And yeah, last but not least, my backpack. So this right here guys is a Gregory Baltoro 65 liter. This is a size small. Yeah, I can't praise this bag enough guys. I honestly can't praise this bag enough. So everything fits in this bag, like literally everything that I've just shown you fits in this bag. Like I said, like the capacity is 65 liters. It's a top loader, so you can literally just open it up like this, and then you can just like pack your stuff. I'm just gonna show you just now how I'll be packing this. And it also has the sleeve right here for your bladder, for your water bladder, which has an opening that goes from the back all the way here, and you can just connect the mouthpiece to your bladder and just sip while you go on a hike. It has these 2 pockets on each side, very convenient for when you want to store like keys, your accessories, phones and things like that. It also has this water bottle compartment, where you just store your water bottle. This thing works wonders. I've fitted a 1.5 liter in here and it worked really great. It also has another one here where you can either store an extra water bottle, or you can push your tripod, whatever. I use it to store my tripod. And then on the outside it has this compartment right here that's made of the stretchy material, so this is where I put my boxing gloves. And on both sides it has these small pockets where I put my sandals, each of my sandals. So it has another one on here as well. There you go. I really love how this bag was designed with all of these like small pockets which you can use to fit different things and compartmentalize everything. So yeah, and then at the bottom, this is where the sleep system goes. So this is where I store my sleeping pad. Both my sleeping pad and my sleeping bag go down there. And then it has this top zip over here that opens up like that, and this is where you'd store your travel documents, or like your, what's this thing, whatever this thing is. Yeah, and then it has another small pocket on top of that one where you can store like whatever that you'd need to access easily. Yeah guys, I think that's about it. I may have missed a few other things. Or it also has this pocket right here, which I'm not going to open right now because I have a whole bunch of things in here. but this is where you store your rain cover for the backpack. It actually comes with a rain cover, which is amazing because you don't have to spend extra on that. Yeah, okay, let me pack my bag and show you guys how I pack my backpack. Okay guys, I'm done packing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Sorry if the video felt rushed because I am in a rush. I need to check out of this campsite in the next 10 minutes. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll probably do a more detailed video as time goes because I'll be using this backpack a lot. And yeah, this is my system for the next I don't know how many months. Yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll check you guys in the next one.